Grand Rising. Y'all, I was not coming to come on here. I'm being so honest with y'all right now. I wasn't coming on here, but you know what? I said I'll bring them along. Let them watch me make some coffee this morning. So if y'all wondering what coffee I'm using, I'm not using my Nespresso today. I could, but do y'all know the top of my Nespresso, you know the clear part? Let me show y'all. This thing right here, this part right here, the clear part, that's why I got this napkin on here. It fell behind the washing machine. I can't get that. I mean, I can pull it out. I don't feel like doing that. It took a long, my brother put that washing machine back there. It took a long time. I ain't doing it. Maybe I'll wait until he try to come help me again. But this is what I'm having right here. And this is what I'm having right here, the creamer. I don't think I'll buy this again because this ain't what I really wanted. But anyway, we're gonna have some coffee. If y'all wanna know what is the weather, it's like 75, 80 degrees probably right now. It's probably 80. Y'all see what time it is? It's 3:09 p.m. And like I said, I didn't want to come on here. And I'm just being so honest. About to take one of my B12. Yeah, I didn't want to come on here. No, I did not. I'm being real. Get out of there. Can't act like you don't want to come out. Oh my gosh, like, wait a minute. I dropped one. I did drop one. Where did it go? Okay, hold on, y'all. It's real life. Okay? Real life. She dropped it. It happens. Don't say nothing, okay? Ain't no reason to say nothing. Sometimes just don't say nothing. Y'all want to know something? The other day I was at the park getting ready to walk, and this lady walked up to me and was like, hi. I was like, hi, how are you? I'm thinking like, is this a subscriber that's going to introduce herself or something? She says, she said, you look familiar. And I was like, you look familiar too, you know. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I gotta stir this up. Seems a little too strong. I haven't been drinking that much coffee. I've been drinking more tea. We need more cream. But anyway, she thought she knew me. I thought maybe I knew her. But we didn't know each other. She says, a big blessing. And I'm telling y'all this because if something happened, y'all gonna be the first to know, okay? With my family, my close family members that's close to me. She says, something next week is real big gonna happen for you. And I know when people do stuff like that, people be thinking they got discernment and stuff. I don't really believe everybody has discernment, so I kind of be a little standoffish because I don't know you, and you could be wishing me any kind of like crazy stuff. That's why I don't really like people. I don't like everybody to lay hands on me. I don't like everybody to pray for me. I'm just that person. I had to realize that as we live, I love the Father, and I'm so close with Him. He will let me know what's good gonna happen. You can feel stuff, okay? So anyway, she was like, something really good is gonna happen for you, and I was like, I had on my sunglasses, but I said, I think when she said that, I was just looking like, you know how somebody startle you? So I was like, hold on, y'all, let me take my pill. I mean my vitamin. I ain't on no kind of pills. So anyway, I said, okay. No, she said that, and I said, I couldn't even play it off, okay? I was just like, okay, you know, okay, you know. And I was just like, Lord, I went back to the bathroom. Because I think that's where I was coming from. I was like, Lord, please, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I am more than a conqueror through Christ Jesus. Through Christ Jesus, I trust you that if it's something, you're going to show me and I'm going to feel it. So now I'm looking like, oh my gosh, she said in the next week. And I'm just like, OMG. So we'll see. So I'm sharing with y'all. But anyway, let's go to the bathroom because I'm about to take a bath. I'm about to take a bath, do what I got to do. Hold on. All right, y'all, I'm back. So in the meantime, me coming back, I cleaned out my toilet behind the scenes, but y'all can see that toilet is clean, okay? Clean, clean, clean. And I decided for my bath today, y'all already know, on Saturdays I treat myself. I'm gonna have this rainforest one, okay? I treat myself every Saturday. I don't care. I said I wanted to work today, and I was like, nope, I'm not working. I'm not. I want to just do me. I don't want to do stuff that I don't want to do. Like, sometimes you just don't want to do certain things, and I get tired of feeling like I have to go to work. I have to go get this money. Go. No. Today is a no. It's me day. So let's drop her in. Okay. Ooh, did y'all see that? Look at that. Let's watch her. Pretty. Yeah. All right, y'all, enough of that, but I'm about to go outside and sit with y'all while we finish up my coffee for a minute, and we'll talk a little bit more. Y'all, it's hot out here, and she drinking some hot-ass coffee. Girl, where they do that at? Ooh, and all that stuff they flying is making me think it's a bee back here. You already know she gonna take off running if she see a bee. But the coffee tastes good, y'all. Even though it's hot as heck out here. So hot. Whew. It looked like, I don't know if y'all can see the sky. We are supposed to get some rain. I think they said like 40%, 30%. It said that earlier, like at 2 something, it was supposed to be 40%, but it didn't do it. But it just be so nice out here. I just love it outside, man. Y'all, I'm ready to go. I'm so ready to go. Lord, Father, please make a way for me to get out of here. I want to get out of here like soon. I'm tired of this place. I'm tired of Ohio. Don't get me wrong, y'all. I love here. Like, I love my space here, my environment. I love my home. Outside of that home, I don't, there's nothing no more. I think I need to find me again somewhere else. That's all. Do anybody understand that? I really think I need to find me all over again, somewhere else. I'm not appreciated here. I'll see y'all in a little while. Y'all, I'm back. I had to really get myself together. I'm sorry. I'm not going to be crying on here, but I'm trying to be as real and transparent with y'all. I know I don't talk about a lot, but I think if you know me, you know me. And you know probably why I don't do that, because we should not do that. Not if you call yourself a true believer. Even though you might be going through anything, we should not do that. I'm just giving it to him, okay? But y'all, I came in here because when this stuff happens to me, I always feel like I have to connect with nature. So I just want to show y'all. This is what nature does for me. It makes me feel good. She is so beautiful. And just knowing my hands on her, made her like this, makes me feel good. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. It might not mean a lot to somebody else, but it means a lot to me. But me knowing that I did this with his help is awesome. Look at her, y'all. Do y'all remember? Y'all remember her, right? When she was sick? She ain't sick no more. She is healed. By his stripes. Ooh, let me look. Lay hands on myself. Woo. Y'all, she beautiful, right? So I'll be back for real this time, but I had to share that with somebody. All right, y'all, out of the tub, here's my outfit of the day. I actually just have on this, it's like a whole body suit that you snap between the legs, and I have on, I know these split pants. Now, am I gonna go anywhere? I don't know, y'all. Hopefully I can get this video to y'all tomorrow or before tomorrow, because for y'all's holiday. I don't celebrate the holiday, but for anybody. So happy weekend. So yeah, guys, like I said, this is my outfit. Oh, when I say lattice shoes, y'all, these are the shoes that I'm talking about. I love these. I have a pair of black ones, and I have a pair of black ones also, and these tan ones. When I say, y'all, this finery spray is amazing. It is absolutely amazing. Oh, I got my little hair on the sides, and I did a little ponytail in the back, tufted. So that is my outfit of the day. So I'm gonna go ahead, y'all. And another thing too, those bath bombs, it's easy to clean out your tub. Like, I think I put in another video, the maker, the brand. So check them out, because one thing is using bath bombs and you can't hardly wash out your tub. These, you can clean out your tub really simple. So I shared with y'all in the last video some items that I got. And I'm thinking, y'all, I think green this year is a color. So 2 days ago, I went with a friend, which was a Thursday, to this Ben's place. And I didn't vlog in there because it was my time with them. So I picked out 4 things. This is actually 2 pieces. It's a shorts and a top. And it has a shirt in the inside. So I'm gonna try this one on, show you guys. I'll put pictures in probably here what that looks like. I also picked up this green beautiful top, and like a lime green. It actually matches my plant, y'all, right? I'm gonna try this on for y'all. Y'all can see what that looks like. Also, I picked up a dress. Now, this dress is showing a little bit of my side, which is okay. I like things that insinuate my waist, because I've worked hard having a waist. I work hard. I take care of myself, but I'm not like going to be trying to expose myself to other people like that. But I will wear this dress somewhere, and I've always kind of wanted one of these dresses, but you know, it takes time. But I'm gonna do this. I'll show you guys this. And I found a pair of leggings. Now, these are Nike pants. And I'll just show y'all. These are Nike pants. Y'all know I'm trying to get away from wearing like name brand stuff, because you're advertising for them and they not paying me. So Nike, y'all need to pay me for showing these, okay? But at first they's like, oh, those ain't the real ones. I looked on the tag. It's the real thing, baby. It's the real thing. And they're the tight fit. That's this here. And it also had the inside, you know, that said Nike right there. So yeah, I'll try these on for y'all. So yeah, these are the items that I picked up. Everything was $1. Amazing, right? Everything was $1. So I'm gonna show y'all that, and then I'm probably gonna start on my canvas. And I think that's gonna do it for me. That's enough, right? That's enough for a vlog, right? All right, y'all. I'll see you in a minute. All right, y'all. So I'm watching the Players Club. I didn't watch the Players Club. I watched it years ago, but I didn't watch it in its entirety. Some of this stuff on here, I never even know they were doing. Like, it's like, I didn't know Jamie Foxx was on here. All these people was on here. This is too provocative. Let me know in the comments, have y'all ever watched that? Oh my God, this is too much. But anyway, it's kind of watching me right now. But anyway, y'all, let me know in the comments, because I'm about to end the video. Let me know in the comments, which was your favorite piece of clothing that I put on. And I will be wearing them. I don't know where, but I will be wearing them. So I'm going to start this canvas off. I wanted to let you guys know, this came with bumper pads, like for your wall. They won't hit the wall or scratch the wall. So I was grateful for that. So usually, since I told y'all this was textured, this is ugly to me. But I'm glad the fact that it was textured, that's what made me purchase it. But anyway, I usually start off with white on my background. But this time I said, nope, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to start off with the territorial beige. I'm going to use this color first. That's going to be my backdrop because y'all know I told y'all it's going to go on this black wall. So I think that's going to be nice. But I was going to bring y'all along for the start. It seems like we ain't going to start because it won't even, tape won't come off. But I'll plug in all three colors for y'all. So we're going to start off, like I said, you have to shake these up too a little bit. I'm going to start off with this color. And hopefully that'll be enough. And I will show y'all. It's already, look at the color. Oh my God, that is pretty. Oh, that's pretty. That almost matches my pillow. That little round pillow. Oh my goodness. Look at the texture. This is going to be beautiful. The texture is everything. Look at the God. Look at God. Look at God. He be doing what I want. You know what I want. And I hope you know I'm ready to go. I'll be taking this with me. I sure will. So guys, I'm going to end the video here. Love yourself so you should be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. And in the next video, y'all going to see how it turns out. Okay? All right, y'all. Bye.